Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasistha from Cadnest Basvanagudi. So welcome to our Cadnest YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So in VLOOKUP we can take the serial number, product, amount, anything as per your wish. So here I have chosen serial number, product and company. So in this we are taking the heading horizontally. So here let's select the heading first and give Ctrl C. So Ctrl C is for copy. So copy this to sheet 2. Ctrl V. So mention the serial number. So after mentioning the serial number, place the cursor on product cell and go to lookup and reference. So in this choose VLOOKUP. So choose the lookup value, serial number and table array. For table array we have to choose the entire data here, and for column index number we have to mention it as true and range lookup value is 0. Okay. So in the same way we have to find the company also. Choose the VLOOKUP formula. So mention the VLOOKUP value as serial number 1. So place the cursor on table array and then go to sheet 1 and select this entire data. So column index number is 3 here. So range lookup value is 0. In the same way for second row also, go to lookup and reference. So in this we have to choose VLOOKUP. So place the cursor on VLOOKUP value and then choose the serial number. Then place the cursor next to table array, then go to sheet 1 and choose this entire data and place the cursor next to this column index number. So we have to mention the column number here. Column is 2. So range lookup value will always be 0 and then give OK. In the same way company also, VLOOKUP. So lookup value is 2 here. In table array we have to select the entire data. Then for column index number we have to mention it as 3 and range lookup value will always be 0. So this is how we find lookup and reference. If you want to find the product which is mentioned in serial number 3, so again we have to place the cursor next to serial number 3 and again we have to go for lookup and reference. In this we have to select VLOOKUP. So then place the cursor on lookup value and we have to choose the serial number here. So then place the cursor on table array and we have to choose the entire data which is present in sheet 1 here. For column index number we have to mention the column number and range lookup value will always be 0. Finally OK. So this is how we find VLOOKUP. So then let's come to sheet 1 and now let's discuss about HLOOKUP. So for HLOOKUP we have mentioned the heading vertically. So we have to choose this heading, give Ctrl C and let's paste this on sheet 3. Place on any one of the blank cell and give Ctrl V here and we have to mention the serial number. We have to mention the serial number horizontally. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to find the product here. So go to lookup and reference. Here choose HLOOKUP. So click on the lookup value and we have to choose the serial number. In table array we have to choose the entire data which is present in first sheet, and again for row index number we have to mention it as 2 and range lookup value will always be 0. So OK. In the same way we have to find the company, lookup and reference. So HLOOKUP. So lookup value is 1. In table array we have to go for sheet 1 and we have to choose the entire data, and then in row index number we have to mention the row number as 3 and for range lookup value we have to mention 0. So okay. In the same way, we have to find the product which is under serial number 2. So go to lookup and reference. So H lookup. So lookup value is 2 here. So in table array, we have to choose this entire data, and then so row index number is 2. So range is 0. Okay. Then product 3. So lookup and reference, again H lookup. So here lookup value is serial number 3. Then in table array, we have to choose this entire data, and then we have to mention the row index number as 2 and range lookup value as 0. So okay. So in the same way, we have to do 4 and 5 also. So automatically it will display whatever we have typed in sheet 1. So I hope you have all understood this. Thank you.